and we can help you as a beginner to come in, learn how to buy a piece of property, learn how to build a house on it, learn how to buy a piece of property and do a rehab, or just buy a piece of property that has a house on it already that you can rent. We are going to start another real estate template seminar on March the 15th, 16th, half a day on the 17th. So it's going to be a 2.5-day seminar we're going to do. We're going to talk about numbers, whether it's better to build, whether it's better to buy, how to decide whether you need to hold a property, whether you need to sell it and try and make better money somewhere else. We're going to try and give you all the avenues of that. We're going to talk about property management. We're going to do the whole class with just me. My wife will be helping some in that. But what we're going to do is we're going to do it all on real estate. I'm not going to do any tax and assets on this class. This will just be a real estate template class only. And whenever we do the class, we want to have a lot of question and answers. So if you got something that you want to talk about, we'll spend the time with you. We're going to do a lot of in-class discussion on what projects people are working on, what they're doing. And we're going to try and help you go to that next level. Because there's a lot of people out there that have just small issues that they just don't know how to handle. So we're going to help you with that. We're going to help you fix it. We're going to help you get through them issues. We're going to help you solve those problems. So that's going to be March the 15th, 16th, and 17th. And we're going to do it right here at my office. And you see crap everywhere. I'll get all that crap out of here. Nick, you was only supposed to be videoing me here.
That's true, that's true.
But anyway, it's there. There it is. We do live. We do live. But just want to invite y'all. The cost of the class is going to be $2,000, and if you have a business partner or something like that you want to bring with you, that person can come for free. So it'll be a $2,000 class, and if you got somebody you want to bring with you, you are welcome to bring that person with you to the class for free. Thank you very much.